tapos history, monthly ba kung nakasuot ito sa ang pagpunting na to? Nga, report kung sa'y kuhaan klaseng posisyon sa tupuan. Ang tawag na napoy idea sa Suriang Bayan kung asa na tagapita o pila na taon sa nagamit dito o yung ako o yung maintenance na 500 hours sa nakamay school na. Pero luckily lucky nga ang punta dito sa contract with engineer Benyo Gamutan is the specification is 3 years maintenance. Pagka po nila sa correct maintenance 3 years.
No, 1 year.
1 year?
Or 20,000 hours.
Which is very high.
So permit me to review that also. I forget a little bit.
Pupulihin nyo na nasunod kay specific ba na dito
Full service up to 1 year or 20,000 kilometers or whichever comes first. Pre-engine oil, filters, labor, and fuel services.
Libre na siya. Nakuha ba rin dito?
License oil na. Eh, kuhan pa man sa warranty pa Manila. Kani karon ang atong 6-wheeler na nadaot ang iyang pagkabanti na ibigay. Sila mismo ga padag mekaniko nakamulo na. Ado.
Katong propeller na nakakuha dito sa Malaysia.
Oh, itong side down front drive.
For drive.
Sa front drive.
Sa ligid nga bearing sa tubangan.
Sa ligid. Uban pa na nila. Sa warranty na ako. 1 year.
1 year Yang mana po na pag si oil gas kano sa to? Sa gigit si oil na lang yun.
Mr. Chair, in addition for that, what we have mentioned regarding that resolutions, can I read to to this plenary the section 56 of our local code 1991. This is regarding the review of component city, municipalities, ordinances, and resolutions by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Okay. Within 3 days after the approval, A. Within 3 days within the approval, the Secretary of Sangguniang Panglungsod o Sangguniang Bayan shall forward to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for review, copies and approve of ordinances and the resolutions approving the local development council. B. Within 30 days after the receipt of copies of such ordinances and resolutions, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan shall examine the documents or transmit them to the provincial attorney, or if there is none, the provincial prosecutor or prompt examination, the provincial attorney or provincial prosecutor shall, within period of 10 days from the receipt of the documents, inform the Sangguniang Panlalawigan in writing of his comment on recommendation, which may be considered by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan in making its decision. C. If the Sangguniang Panlalawigan finds that such an ordinance or resolution is beyond the power conferred upon the Sangguniang Panglungsod or Sangguniang Bayan concerned, it shall declare such ordinance or resolution invalid in whole and part. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan shall enter into its action in the minutes and shall advise the corresponding municipal authorities of the action it has taken. D. If no action has been taken by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan within 30 days after the submission of such ordinance or resolution, the same shall be presumed consistent with law and therefore valid.
Very good.
So 30 days.
30 days.
Yeah.